Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem without a calculator, which is sister squared plus sister 1 squared plus sister 2 squared plus sister 3 squared divided by 94. So let's provide a solution from here. Now, we have sister squared plus 61 squared. We can express 61 as 60 plus 1 raised to the power of 2. Then we can express sister 2 basically as 60 plus 2 raised to the power of 2. And then lastly plus sister 3, which we can express as 60 plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Then everything here divided by 94. Now the next step is that we can let u to be equal to 60. So let's substitute where we have sister here with u. So that now in the numerator we have u squared plus, now here we have u plus 1 raised to the power of 2, then plus, here we have u plus 2 raised to the power of 2, then plus u plus 3 raised to the power of 2, then everything here divided by 94. Now, we have that u plus 1 to the power of 2, or u plus 2 to the power of 2, or u plus 3 to the power of 2. This is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, which we can express as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Now, applying this algebraic identity, then we have u squared plus, now u plus 1 squared, this is the same thing as u squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared, then plus 2u, then plus, now here we have u plus 2 to the power of 2. This is the same thing as u to the power of 2, then plus 2 squared, which is equal to 4, then plus 2 multiplied by u multiplied by 2, then now plus, here we have u plus 3 to the power of 2, which is equal to u to the power of 2, then plus 3 squared, which is 9, then plus 2 multiplied by u multiplied by 3, everything here divided by 94. So this means that we have u squared plus u squared, then plus 2u plus 1 squared is 1, then plus, here we have u squared, then plus we have 4u, then plus 4, we have plus, here we have u squared, then plus, here we have 6u, then plus 9, everything here divided by 94. So this implies that here we have u squared plus u squared, this is 2u squared, plus u squared, this is 3u squared, plus u squared here. So this is 4u squared, then plus we have 2u plus 4u, this is 6u, then plus 6u, this is 12u, then plus, now we have, here we have 1 plus 4, this is 5, then 5 plus 9, this is equal to 14. So we have 4u squared plus 12u plus 14, everything here divided by 94. Now, in the numerator here, we have 4u squared plus 12u plus 14. We have that 2 is common, so we can factor out 2, so that into the parentheses, we have 2u squared, then plus, here we have 6u, then plus 7, cross the parentheses, divided by, we can express 94. This is the same thing as 47 times 2. So we can simplify here, 2 and 2 here simplifies, so that now here we have 2u squared plus 6u plus 7 divided by 47. Now, the next step from here, if you recall, we have seen that let u be equal to 60. So let's substitute u with 60 so that here we have 2 times 60 raised to the power of 2, then plus 6 multiplied by 60, then plus 7, everything here divided by 47. Now, this implies that here we have 2 multiplied by 60 squared, this is 3600, then plus, we have 60 times 6, this is 360, then plus 7, everything here divided by 47. So this means that here we have that the 600 times 2, this is 7,200, then plus 360 plus 7, this is 367, everything here divided by 47. So now, the next step is that 7,200 plus 367, this is equal to 7567 divided by 47. Now, from here, we can express 7567. This is the same thing as 7520 plus 47 divided by 47. Now, we have that here, 7520 plus 47 over 47. This means that here we can have 4700 plus 2820. This is the same thing as, now 0 plus 0, this is 0, 0 plus 2, this is 2, 7 plus 8, this is 15, carry 1 here, so here we have 7520. So now we can substitute 7520 with 4700 plus 2820 plus 47, divide everything by 47. So that now here we have 4700 divided by 47, then plus 2820 divided by 47, then plus 47 divided by 47. Now we have 4700 divided by 47, so by 47 on, by 47 here, this is 100. Then here we have 47 and 47 here, simplify, so we have 1. So this is the same thing as 100 plus 2820, 2820. This is the same thing as we have 47 multiplied by 60. So we have here 47 multiplied by 60 divided by 47, then plus 1. So this implies from here we have 100 plus 1. This is equal to 101, then plus. Now, here we have 47 and 47 here, simplifies. So this means that we have 101 plus 60. And this means that 101 plus 60, this is equal to 161. And this is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.